How to make coconut milk curd or Latik. So basically there's only one ingredient here, which is coconut milk. So I'm using 2 cans of coconut milk, which is about 4 cups. So on a high heat, you just want to pour your 2 cans of coconut milk and blend it well. And just wait for it to boil. You would want to stir it once in a while just to prevent from the coconut milk from burning. So as you see, it's starting to dry up. This is very important step. Never leave this mixture or else you're going to end up with a burned coconut milk curd. So at this point, the Latik is changing color, turning to light brown. When you reach the desired color, which is brown but not too dark, that's when you know it's done. So there you have it. How to make Latik or the coconut milk curd.